everyone, welcome to Basic Academy. Today we will do the science chapter, the fundamental unit of life, biology's first topic. You can see that the image of a microscope, it's a compound microscope. The first cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. It was a dead cell in a wooden cork slice of honeycomb tree. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. सेल जो है कि फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ है, क्योंकि एक ह्यूमन बॉडी का लाइफ सेल से ही स्टार्ट होता है. और इट इज़ नोन एज स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ बिकॉज होल बॉडी इज मेड ऑफ सेल, क्योंकि पूरी बॉडी हमारी किससे बनी है, सेल से बनी है. और इट इज़ नोन एज फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ बिकॉज ऑल फंक्शन रेगुलेट्स इनसाइड द सेल, क्योंकि सारे फंक्शन सेल के अंदर ही होते हैं. दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस इज अ इमेज ऑफ अ एनिमल सेल. यू कैन सी दैट इट कंटेन न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियोलस, क्रोमैटिन मटेरियल, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, mitochondria, ribosome, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum. Now we will talk about the experiment. This is an onion slide. It's in a plant cell. It contains the outer part of the cell is the cell wall. Then inner is the cell membrane. Then the inside it's a cytoplasm. It's a liquid. And in the center there is a nucleus. This is a sperm cell. This is the fat cell, blood cell, smooth muscle cell. अब types of cell, there are two types of cells, unicellular, multicellular. Unicellular क्या है, organism which are made from a single cell, मतलब ऐसे organism जिसके अंदर सिर्फ single cell है, एक ही cell है, उसे हम unicellular organism कहते हैं. इसके बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है, अमीबा, पैरामनेशियम, अमीबिया, पैरामोशियम और बहुत सारे भी हैं. मल्टी सेलुलर में ह्यूमन बींग, काऊ, डॉग, सारे एनिमल्स जो भी हैं बचे हुए. और इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स के पास एक सेल नहीं होता, मैनी सेल हैं, इसलिए इसको हम मल्टी सेलुलर कहते हैं. अमीबा इज अ सिंगल सेल ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट हैज़ अ फॉल्स वेट नॉन एज स्यूडोपोडिया. इट हैज़ अ फूड वैक्यूल, न्यूक्लियस, मेम्ब्रेन, एंडोप्लाज्म, कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल वैक्यूम, एक्टोप्लाज्म. When we talk about paramecium is to a single cell. Here it's a cell membrane. Amoeba used to take food by, as here is the food material. The false meat enters here, and they used to make a form of circle curve, as it has undefined shape. It used to change its shape certain period of time in searching of food. This is an image of paramecium. Cell contains of different organelles. Cell contains many types of organelles and different parts of the cell. Nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, which is known as air. It contains two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are rough because it has, in the base it has ribosomes, whereas we talk about smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it does not have ribosome. They used to make protein so that endoplasmic reticulum and the cell, whenever need, they can send it. Plastids, cell wall, and the Golgi apparatus. Cell is divided into two categories, that is a prokaryotic and the eukaryotic. Prokaryotic are the organisms which do not have well defined nucleus, which do not have a nucleus present inside, and they have a simple structure. It contains single chromosome and nucleus is absent. Size of the cell are generally 1 to 10 micrometer. This was about 5 points related to prokaryotics. When we talk about eukaryotic, it is found in animals. And when it has a well-defined nucleus with nuclear membrane, it has a complex structure. It can have more than one chromosome. Nucleus is present, and they are generally 5 to 100 U. Various shapes of cell are found in various shapes such as oval, round shape, spherical shape, spindle shape, branch shape, and many types. Now we talk about the cell organelles. So nucleus, it is a very important organelle of the cell, as it regulates all the activities of the cell. न्यूक्लियस एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गेनल्स है सेल का, जिसके अंदर ज़्यादातर जो सेल की एक्टिविटीज़ ये कंडक्ट करवाता है. वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल दिस एज अ हेड ऑफ द सेल. न्यूक्लियोलस, ये जो न्यूक्लियोलस है ये न्यूक्लियस के अंदर होते हैं. ठीक है, ये सेंटर में जो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, देखो You can see here, I will show you nucleolus. This spherical structure, the whole spherical structure, this spherical structure is the nucleus, and the inner side is the nucleolus. Now come to nucleus. Nucleus is present inside the nucleus, as well. It is known as factory of ribosomes because ribosomes are made. It helps in protein synthesis of the body. It contains chromosome. Then there is a spherical like structure called as chromosomes, which are also called as vehicle of genes, as this genes are carried by this chromosome. First of all, they are in spherical in shape, so they are called as chromatin. When they used to go to the offspring, then they forms chromosomes, and then chromosomes are formed into DNA. And genes express our characteristics such as intelligence, complex system, height, face, that's all. Nucleus, this is image of a nucleus. This was first lecture in the chapter of fundamental unit of life. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.